Hi, this is Marty with AIRial Liquid. I'm going to be flying my DJI Neo and going to be using the RC2 as the controller. I'm going to be popping around my backyard. Hope you enjoy the flight. You think I can hit this gap? I think I got it. That didn't end well. Let's start it back up and go. Oh, look out for that chair. Ah, there I am. Well, I think I can clear the fence. Let's try to hit this little gap. Maybe. Oh, that was close. Man, I'm a little low. I'll be alright. Oh, nope. Let's start it back up again. Whoa, check out that bird. Wonder what kind of bird he is. I want to hit that same gap again. Yep. Oh, we got it. Oh, whoa, the tree. You know what? Let's maybe go around the front yard. Yeah, let's go. Let's check it out. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you know what? Too much traffic up there. Go back home. Oh, here we go. Whoa, almost hit the railing. Yep, I think I'm done for now. I don't know. Zip around the tree a little bit more. Come back home. Alright guys, we'll see you later.